afternoon, guys. Today I'm gonna cook kangkong with tofu. Okay, so these are all the ingredients: salt, black pepper, soy sauce. The tofu, I marinated with black pepper, salt, and then flour, and then kangkong, and then garlic, onions. Okay. Okay, guys, look at that one. Okay. Okay, let's wait until it cold. The tofu is cooked already. Okay, so I'm gonna transfer it there and sit aside later. We're gonna need another pot. We add butter. Okay, guys. And then we're gonna saute the garlic. And then the onions. Kangkong. Black pepper, a pinch of salt, guys. Just a little water and sauce. Okay. Now, we're gonna cover first, and we'll be right back. Just 2 minutes only. So, it's done. So, we have a lot of tofu, and then the kangkong is not so much anymore. Okay, I'm gonna off the heat na. Okay, guys, look at that one. That's our kangkong with tofu. It's super yummy, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna taste that tofu. Okay, I'm gonna taste it here. It's tasty. Ngayon, the kangkong. Just a little bit. That guy. So that's our tofu with kangkong, or kangkong with tofu is done. Okay, guys, it's super yummy. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye. Or tofu with kangkong.